Alright guys, this is Manila. In today's video I'm going to be doing Blacksmith Village and Demon Blade. So let's do this. And I accidentally canceled out my flights. I hope people are already there. I mean, I could solo it by myself. Guess I'm just built like that. But, just so it can be faster, quicker. Okay, nobody's there. Looks like it's all up to me. Hate wooden dragon. Ow, my realm. It's broken. 'Cause of you! Anger, thunder. Oh yeah, hate wooden dragon. Honorable saddle plume in the middle, and Crimson Hogramo. And Pionessa Flority, I know how to pronounce it now. Yahoo! Alright. Do that for no reason. Oh no, I'm getting low. Great, I annihilated every NPC. Now I won't be able to heal. I'm just gonna run. I don't want to die. Let me heal a little bit from here. Okay, that's better. Yo, a moon user. Yes, I killed a moon user. Oh! 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 I hope he doesn't. Okay, his PvP is disabled. Dang! Moon's good, but I still want Surfing. Now Med wants Moon for some reason. Because of the Moon Bow Rain. I just want Surfing because it has more long-range moves than Moon. Why am I still in combat? Okay, well, never mind. What the Sigma? Okay, let me claim this and that. Okay, honorable saddle plume. No! Wait, what? He killed me? Nah, bet that up. Didn't lose any bounties, thank God. Yeah, I'm still gonna try to kill him. Oh my god, never mind. Wait, my hate wooden dragons are still there. Yep, knew what he was gonna do. What he was gonna use. What the heck? I didn't even die to him. Wait, it's already done? Wait, no, please get destroyed. Come on. Oh, wait, actually, whatever. I can give it to my backup account. Oh my god, where is he? Where is he now? There he is. Ah, crap. Bro, he teleported away. Well, alright guys,